welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Nicole and I'm so happy you clicked on this video. And for those of you who are returning, hey girl, hey, welcome back to another Feminine Friday. This is going to be my first impressions and unboxing of the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. This bag is my latest addition and it is such a hot commodity because it has been sold out everywhere. So yeah guys, I finally got my hands on it after 2 years of stalking Louis Vuitton websites, the Louis Vuitton King of Prussia store, the Louis Vuitton Galleria in Houston store, the Louis Vuitton in Atlanta. Y'all, I finally got my hands on it, so I guess God wanted me to finally have it. So let me just quickly give you guys the process to buying it. As I mentioned, this bag has been sold out. It's been a rare find and I almost bought it pre-loved, and I'm glad that I didn't, and I just kept going back to the website. The day that I decided that I was going to get the bag, I went on the site and it was available for shipping. I think this came from the Louis Vuitton store in New Jersey. I think it was the American Mall or American Dream Mall in New Jersey that it came from. So just keep stocking the website until you find it. Here is the bag. So overall impressions of this bag, I give it a 9 out of 10, and the reason that I don't give it, or maybe even an 8 out of 10, just because the clasp part right here, they should have made this magnetic. For the price and quality of this bag, you shouldn't have to go like this and clasp it in, and then like you literally have to do this, which is annoying, and then whenever you want to open it, you press right here and then it opens up. I couldn't even figure it out when I first got it. My husband had to do it for me. So that's one of the things that I wish Louis Vuitton would have made this part magnetic. And then the second thing is the zipper here. This thick zipper, it's a little hard to open and close. So that's one of the only things that I'm afraid that the zipper might break. Hoping not, because of the price of this thing again, and overall quality is very good. So those are the only two negatives that I don't like about it. But if you're someone like me who loves a medium-sized bag and loves a top handle bag, this is for you. So here's a top handle. I know a lot of people complain that you can't really do too much to it, but like this kind of bag, you're not going to be walking around like this. It's not meant for that. It's meant to be more of top handle type. And then it also comes with the straps, which is an adjustable strap, which I think is perfect. And if you want to switch straps ever, you can. I might actually do that as well if I don't ever want to do crossbody and I just want to do it like this, but I want to have it maybe a little shorter. I can. You can put it under your armpit. Inside it has 3 compartments. You have this outside compartment, this middle one, and this back one right here. And of course it's made with suede. On the inside it just came with like a little card and a little QR code. It's the QR for the bag that says Pochette Metis. So there's the 3 compartments here, and then I don't really know if this back one counts, but I would just use these 2 here. And then of course you have the one right here in the back as well. So overall I give this bag a 8 out of 10 just because of what I described with this part here, as well as this zipper in the back. But yeah, if you're somebody like me who loves a medium-sized bag and doesn't carry too much around, I think this bag is perfect. You can fit your wallet, a makeup pouch, maybe a small perfume, your notepad or something, or your little diary, and some pencils or whatever else you want to fit in here. It matches with pretty much almost every outfit. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, like a business casual, smart casual, very like girly, with a dress, whatever you want to wear it with, it really goes, and I love it. So again, I'm just going to try it out for the 30 days to test the quality to make sure it is something that I want to keep. And then I'll come back in 6 months from now to give you guys a 6-month update if I do end up keeping this bag. And obviously if I do, you guys will see it all over my Instagram in my different outfits and stuff. So So that is it for this unboxing. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to get to know them and chat with you guys in the comments. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and before leaving this channel, head over to follow me on Instagram and also check out some of my other content. I have other great videos. If you love this one, you will love those too. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!